Focusing on every body organ. How does it feel to restore my organs to perfect health? Focusing on every gland in the body. How does it feel to restore every gland to perfect health? Focusing on lymph, the lymph system, and the glymph in the brain. How does it feel to restore lymph and lymph flow to perfect health? Focusing on immune system. How does it feel to restore immune system to perfect health, perfect regulation, perfect modulation? Soothing any chronic inflammation, soothing any chronic immune overactivity or underactivity, restoring immune system back to perfect modulation and regulation.